We keep talking about this wall of worry, this bull market that is climbing a wall of worry. Those are the most durable bull markets, even though they can be disconcerting from time to time. And of course, the AI scare has been the latest fear in the market. And we believe we're in very early innings still. We like the idea, though, that there is fear. Because having been in the tech and telecom bubble myself, back then investors were just throwing money at anything .com or internet. And there was no consideration when it came to cash flow, valuation. That is not true now. And I think some of the breakthroughs in AI, even recently, are astonishing us. We think that we're surfacing some of the productivity gains that are going to propagate throughout the economy during the years ahead.
The market is paralyzed by an AI scare, but while the herd flees in a sell first, ask questions later panic, Cathie Wood is calling this the ultimate indicator of a durable bull market. History proves that the most resilient rallies are built on a wall of worry, and today's fear is the foundation for tomorrow's productivity-driven boom. ARK Invest's internal data confirms we are transitioning out of a rolling recession into a high-growth era, evidenced by the true inflation metric, a real-time monitor of 10,000 goods, which has plummeted from a 12% peak in 2022 to below 1% today. While some Fed members are scaling back expectations to 100 basis point cuts, Wood's rationale is clear. Cooling inflation and massive deregulation are the twin engines set to ignite an astonishing economic acceleration by the 2026 midterms. The narrative that AI is destroying software is a fundamental misunderstanding of the shifting technology stack. We are witnessing a brutal re-rating where infrastructure and platforms are cannibalizing the application layer. This isn't just theory, it's the reason ARK has moved incumbents like Salesforce into the risk category. As AI coding agents like Claude Code dramatically lower development costs, seat-based pricing models are facing a terminal threat. Wood isn't just talking, she is moving millions. This week alone, ARK Capital has rotated aggressively into 3 pure-play AI disruptors that the market has handed out at a massive discount. 2 of these high-conviction picks are down nearly 10% year-to-date, and the third has been bludgeoned, falling nearly 20% since the start of 2026. Today, we break down the data, the trades, and why these 3 stocks are the ultimate asymmetric bets for this cycle. Let's begin with a tech giant. Amazon.com, ticker AMZN, that is currently offering what many analysts are calling a generational entry point, perfectly aligned with the infrastructure shift Cathie Wood highlighted in her recent webinar. While the broader market has been spooked by a massive $200 billion capital expenditure plan announced for 2026, the underlying data suggests this fear is misplaced and creates a rare opportunity for the disciplined investor. For the first time since 2010, long before the world fully realized the dominance of the cloud, Amazon is trading at a low double-digit forward operating cash flow multiple. This represents a staggering 41% discount to fair value estimates, creating a historical anomaly where investors are essentially paying for the retail business and getting the world's leading cloud infrastructure for free. The core of the bearish narrative centers on this infrastructure spend, yet Amazon's growth engines are actually accelerating. In the final quarter of 2025, net sales jumped nearly 14% to over $213 billion. AWS, the crown jewel of the portfolio, posted its fastest growth since 2022 at nearly 24%. This isn't just about renting server space. Amazon's proprietary chip business, featuring Graviton and Trainium, has officially hit a $10 billion annual revenue run rate, with triple-digit year-over-year growth. As the industry shifts toward native AI workloads, Amazon is becoming less reliant on third-party hardware like NVIDIA GPUs, which is a massive catalyst for future margin expansion. Beyond the cloud, the retail moat is deepening through a trifecta of price, selection, and convenience. Amazon has remained America's lowest-priced retailer for, respect, 9 consecutive years, and the integration of agentic AI assistants like Rufus has been a game-changer. Over 300 million customers used these AI tools in 2025, with data showing that AI-engaged shoppers are 60% more likely to complete a purchase. This has directly fueled a 22% surge in advertising revenue, as conversations are converted into high-intent leads. Financially, the company is a fortress, ending 2025 with over $57 billion in net cash and marketable securities. While the heavy 2026 investment cycle might temporarily weigh on free cash flow, the projected inflection in 2027 and 2028 is profound, with free cash flow per share expected to explode to $6.05 by 2028. With a dominant lead in the token supply chain and a retail business growing twice as fast as major competitors, the divergence between Amazon's fundamental strength and its current sentiment is at a decade-high peak. Moving from the cloud infrastructure layer to the silicon powering it, our second pick, Advanced Micro Devices, ticker AMD, is a semiconductor titan that is currently undergoing a massive structural transformation into a comprehensive AI infrastructure powerhouse. While the market has been fixated on the NVIDIA's little brother narrative, the data shows that AMD is carving out its own distinct empire, particularly as it shifts from selling individual CPUs and GPUs to providing full-scale Helios rack solutions. This strategic pivot is already yielding results, with fourth-quarter revenues surging 34% to over $10 billion, driven by record client CPU sales and a significant acceleration in data center shipments. The real game-changer, however, is the recently announced 5-year, $100 billion agreement with Meta to power their next generation of AI infrastructure. This massive deal involves 6 gigawatts of power capacity and specifically validates the upcoming MI450 architecture and the Helios rack scale systems. By jointly developing these racks through the Open Compute project, AMD has effectively locked competitors out of a primary hyperscaler's next-gen build-out. Furthermore, this level of firm commitment gives Dr. Lisa Su the necessary leverage to command leading-edge 2 nanometers and 3 nanometers wafer priority from TSMC, securing their supply pipeline for the next decade. Looking at the performance, the stock has faced recent pressure, down nearly 9% year-to-date and roughly 20% since the start of 2026, creating what many see as a rare buy-the-news opportunity. Despite the short-term volatility, the fundamental outlook remains exceptionally robust. Analysts are projecting annual revenue growth of 34% through 2028, with EBITDA expected to grow at a staggering 55% annually. As the MI450 GPUs and Helios racks ramp up in the second half of 2026, 2027 is positioned to be a major inflection year for free cash flow, which is expected to drive a net cash position toward $42 billion. With a non-GAAP PEG ratio of 0.6, significantly lower than its primary peers, the valuation is increasingly attractive for a company that has secured material revenue visibility through partnerships with Meta, OpenAI, Microsoft, and Oracle. Finally, we transition from the hardware and cloud providers to a company, DoorDash, ticker DASH, that has evolved from a simple food delivery app into the future of local commerce, and a sneaky beneficiary of the AI revolution Wood described as the Great Convergence. While market sentiment turned cold following a heavy investment cycle in late 2025, recent data suggests the strategy is paying off. For the final quarter of 2025, the company posted a staggering 39% jump in marketplace gross order value to nearly $30 billion, significantly outpacing analyst expectations. Total orders for the winter quarter skyrocketed 32% year-over-year, proving that consumer demand for convenience remains incredibly resilient despite macroeconomic scares. The near-term pain investors are seeing is actually fuel for long-term dominance. Management is currently executing a massive tech overhaul to merge multiple international platforms, including Wolt and Deliveroo, into one unified stack. A move designed to drastically improve shipping velocity and clear out operational inefficiencies. This expansion is already bearing fruit. International growth is now outpacing domestic U.S. growth. In the U.S., the company maintains a fortress-like lead, holding roughly 66% of the delivery market, double that of its nearest competitor. A major pillar of this bullish thesis is the rapid scaling of non-restaurant verticals, particularly grocery and retail. About 30% of monthly active users are now ordering from outside the restaurant category, and with the online grocery market expected to grow at a massive 21% CAGR through 2031, DoorDash is perfectly positioned to capture that shift. Furthermore, their high-margin advertising business is exploding. Following the acquisition of ad tech firm Symbiosis, the number of advertisers on the platform has doubled, while their total spend has tripled. Financially, the company is robustly profitable on a GAAP basis and holds a strong balance sheet with $5.5 billion in cash. While the stock has been bludgeoned, down nearly 18% year-to-date and 20% since the start of 2026, this pullback has reset the valuation to a level where the worst investment cycle fears are largely priced in. As tech integration completes and margins expand in the second half of 2026, this Netflix of food is poised for a significant breakout, with analysts projecting a realistic path to at least 20% long-term net margins as AI-driven automation and autonomous delivery lower fulfillment costs. The takeaway from Cathie Wood's latest market update is clear. The most astonishing growth happens when fear is at its peak. By identifying companies like AMZN, AMD, and Dash that are leading the charge in the token supply chain and local commerce, ARK is positioning itself for a productivity-driven boom. Mr. Market is currently handing investors a discount on the future. The question is, are you disciplined enough to rebalance and buy the dip while others flee? The next few years will define the winners of the AI era. Make sure you're positioned with the leaders.